Hey beautiful people, it's Rakita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, guys, I want to talk about the best credit cards that you guys can get if you want to get cash back. Now I have my cash stuffing videos now, you guys, so definitely go ahead and check it out. It show you how to budget, how to save for the future. For those people that's looking to save into their IRA to $6,000 per year, I have a nice challenge where you guys can actually save enough so that you can have that $6,000 so you can invest that money into your IRA. But definitely go ahead and check those out. Now, the biggest thing I want to show you guys when it comes down to these credit cards is really the cash back of it. I know some people can't get credit cards, but I want to show you the cash back part of it because I make sure that if there's any transaction on my credit, any transaction I'm going to pay for, and I can use a card or a debit card, I use my credit card where I'm going to make sure that I'm getting cash back, because that cash back right alone is a lot of money. So why miss out on it? I make sure that I pay my bill off every month, but the first step is just to have that credit card to get the cash back. And whatever you spent on that credit card, whatever bill it is, you take that money for your bill and you pay off your credit card. But now you got all that money for the cash back. So let's talk about a few credit cards you guys can apply for. Now, it's two different type of people. I want to say for bad credit only because a lot of people that's using this cash method, they're trying to get out of debt mostly, right? We're trying to make sure you pay off debt. Like me, I'm trying to pay off student loans. So we're trying to pay off debt. So if your credit score is below a 550, let's start off with you guys. If your credit score is below a 550 and you need to try to get a credit card, you really need to start off with a secure credit card. So I have the Discover It credit card. You're not going to be able to really get this credit card until you get your credit score higher, but there's two other credit cards I want to show you. Now, the first credit card I want to show you is both of them are secure credit cards. It means you have to put money down on the credit card. But if you guys have saving challenges, you already started saving, take that money you set to the side that you're going to sit on for a whole year anyway, because usually the challenges last a year. Take that money and put that money into your secure credit card. And I suggest you guys, they have two credit cards you can get. You can get the Quicksilver Secure Rewards, or you can get the Platinum Secure. I want you guys to get the Quicksilver Secure. This is a new one, and the minimum deposit is $200, meaning that you can put more money into this more money onto this credit card. And in 6 months, they're going to give you your $200 back, or whatever you put down on it. On this credit card. So if you put $500 down, $1,000 down, they're going to give you your money back, and that's going to be your new set limit. And whatever they give you back, just put it back into your savings challenge, wherever you took it out of. But look, you're going to get 1.5% cash back on every purchase. So whatever you purchase with your credit card, you're going to get that 1.5% cash back. Now, the reason I'm not telling you guys to go and just, if you guys have a credit score over a 580, you probably can get just a regular one where they'll give you a limit that what they'll actually use their money. They'll set you a limit, $500, $1,000. I don't want you to get this one because look, it's a $39 annual fee. So every year you got to pay $39. If you were just diligent and you get this one here, in 6 months, they're going to give you your money back, and you're going to stay at that 0%, that $0 annual fee. So I'd rather you start with this one anyway, right? And for those people that want to get in with Capital One, and you probably don't have the best credit, you still probably want to go the secure route, knowing that you have your money sitting there anyway in your saving challenges, in your envelopes. It doesn't matter. You can put that money into this credit card, and then when they upgrade you in 6 months, they're going to give you whatever you put down. They're going to give it back to you, but now you're not going to have an annual fee. So this is one credit card where you guys are going to get cash back. Now, the next one I want to talk to you guys about is like a loan play. It's like, when I say a loan play, I mean that you're not going to get any bonuses. You're going to get some bonuses, but not like cash back. Cash back is like, hey, 1.5% you're getting back. Now, with this one, the Navy Fed Secure Credit Card, you guys can start off with a $200 credit card, and then in 6 months, they're going to they're going to give you a new credit card. It's going to be a green one, your green credit cards, which is your rewards credit card still. But instead of that $200 limit, it's going to be a $2,000 limit in 6 months. And now you can load all of your money onto that credit card, and they can give you up to 1.75% cash back. So that's why I always tell people, hey, if you need to start building your credit, a lot of people, they need to really start building their credit. I tell people, hey, get the secure credit card, $200 in 6 months. You're going to go to $2,000. So yeah, you guys, definitely, if you have a credit score under 580, then get the Capital One. Don't forget, get the secure one, put the money down. And then you guys can get the N Rewards secure, put the money down. Now you guys are going to get points. So you're going to get 1 times a point per dollar spent. But after you get upgraded in 6 months, you're going to get that upgrade, get your money back. You're going to actually get cash back. So I have my Navy Fed credit card. I put a lot of my things on Navy Fed just to make sure I get the points, but it depends on what it is because there's other credit cards that have like different bonuses out there. Now, if your credit score is over like that 620 mark, then let me show you 2 other credit cards I want you to go ahead and apply for. So the first one is the Discover It credit card. It's what you guys seen when we first started. Now this one has no annual fee, which I really like. I like no annual fee. If you're paying annually, it's like, man, you're missing out on money. That's money you could have kept. So with this one, they have cash back too, but it's like on different things. So it would depends on what you're actually buying. So they have it where you can get 5% cash back, and the cash back is variable. So you can earn up to 5% cash back, and it's going to be each quarter something different. Like they have the Amazon, they have the grocery stores, they have restaurants, they have gas stations. So say if you're in a quarter where you earn 5% cash back on gas. Anytime you're going to go to the gas station to buy anything, you're going to use this credit card, and then you're going to pay it off just to make sure that you guys are actually getting that extra cash back, because all of that is savings, you guys. All of it is savings. If you're going to the grocery store and you guys are getting cash back that quarter on groceries, right? Then you want to make sure you use this credit card on your cash back. Use this credit card for that purchase, and then when you make that purchase, like the grocery store, if you was going to spend that cash anyway, use that money, put it in your envelope for credit cards, and then just pay off your credit cards. That's how you need to do it. The same thing too, when you're using it for PayPal. If you're going to the restaurant, you might have a eat-out budget. If you're going to restaurants, get that 5% cash back. It's all going to add up. Now, this one too, they have the 0% APR for 14 months. Remember, I like to tell people to pay off their credit card. Don't keep a balance, because if you're paying interest on your credit card, you're going backwards. So every month you want to make sure you pay your bill ahead of time. So say if you want to pay your bill 2 weeks ahead of time, pay it down to 30%, whatever that is. And then make sure a few days before your due date, my due date usually is on like the 14th. I'll make sure I pay my bill off before the 14th. And that's how I will do it. I'll just make sure my bill is completely paid off, you guys. But I make sure that I get my cash back, and I'm not paying them anything in interest. So those are like the biggest things. And let's talk about the credit card that you guys are going to get after you. So for those people that have like a secure credit card here, this is the credit card that you're going to upgrade to, and you're going to earn up to 1.75% cash back on all purchases. So you guys, with them, they have it where on your account, they'll tell you exactly how much you're going to get back. So I remember when I first started off, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm getting $50 cash back. And that's why I'm like, I need to start loading all of my purchases on here so I can be at $200 cash back. Because if you get that much cash back, that's a whole bill. Like, that's a whole bill. But this one, you guys, you're going to upgrade to this one from a secure credit card. Or if you have a high enough credit score, you might want to just apply for this credit card outright. Remember, if there's other credit cards that you can get that has no annual fee, perfect, and they got cash back, especially on all purchases. I like to just say on all purchases. That's perfect. That may be a credit card you want to get. But I just wanted to show you these credit cards because for those people that's doing the cash method, they're doing the sinking funds, you guys are doing cash stuffings, then you want to possibly look into how I do things in terms of I pay off all of my transactions with my credit card, and then I pay my credit card with all the money that I would have spent on those bills anyway. And now I have all this cash back, and I have more money that I can put towards like saving challenges and things like that. But if you guys wonder what I've been doing, this is what I've been doing. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know. Now, remember, if your credit score is really low, you probably need to do something to actually increase your credit score. So I have my exclusive credit membership that you guys can look into getting into, which will help you remove those negative accounts from your credit reports and help you guys get approved for regular everyday credit cards. There's so many people out there with debt, so much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car, they can't get a mortgage, they can't even get a credit card. Like, I mean, a $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership, and it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge-off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repair. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.